Hey guys, what's up? Here's Abhishek signing in. Welcome to my channel Technoid Abee. So first of all, I would like to thank all the viewers out there who are watching this video right now, as this is my first video. So thank you so much. So today I'm going to unbox a laptop which I bought from Amazon. So let's quickly start the unboxing. So as you can see, this is the box. The laptop is from HP. So the box is very simple. It's a very simplistic packing. Things we get inside the box. So this is the power adapter that we get. So this is the power adapter. As you can see, it's a 65 watt adapter. So let's keep that inside this. Let's see what else we get. So here we get some setup guide, a very minimalistic paperwork we have here. I think this is the laptop. Kind of different covering that we get there. Let's keep this aside. So let's open up this. So yeah, as we can see, the very first impressions is like it's a very compact laptop that we have here. Very handy, a very easy to hold laptop. Not a thin laptop, but definitely it is very compact and comfortable to hold in hands. And it is not much heavy as well, but not as light as other laptops there in the market. So let's see what ports we get on here. So as you can see, here is a 3.5 mm audio jack that we get, a USB-C port, couple of USB ports. I guess they are USB 3 ports, also an HDMI port, so you can connect any HDMI devices with this, a power port over here, and an LED indicator. On the other side, let's check what we get. So here we just get a SD card reader and a couple of other indicators. So that's pretty much on the exterior of the laptop. Now let's see what we get inside. So as you can see, the design is quite compact and minimalistic. Uh, the keyboard is also seems to be good, of nice quality, and also has a good feedback. Also there is decent spacing between the keys, so there won't be any problem while typing on this. Here we get the power button. Also we have the trackpad, so it's good that we have a trackpad. We can use various gestures for navigating the screen. Here we get the outlet of the speakers. Also we have the screen. This is a 14-inch screen with a full HD resolution. Also we have a camera, which is I guess an HD camera, uh, with a couple of microphones over here. The HP logo we get over there. uh, Quite good texture we have over here, so that it is very comfortable and feels good when you rest your hands on this. So let's start the laptop and see. So while I set up the laptop, let's quickly go through the specifications. So as you can see, the laptop is on now, and the screen seems to be very good in the first look. So the brightness on this are like okay, so it won't be any problem in general, but it may give some issues if you use it in the exterior environments, in the very highlights, in very highlight environments. So there's the it has a decent amount of brightness. Also, the as the screen is small, 14 inches screen, and it is a full HD resolution, the pixel density is good, due to which the sharpness and the accuracy of the screen is good. So that's pretty much about the first impressions and the overview of the laptop. So basically, I bought this laptop at 38,000 rupees from Amazon, which was a very good deal considering the configuration that I got. And the reason I went for this model was there were also a couple of options in the Dell and Lenovo, but the reason being this laptop was very close to my requirements, so I picked up this. I will be posting a review of this laptop, and I will share my experience with this laptop in some after some days in upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. Let me know if you like the video or not. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get notified whenever I post any technology related videos on my channel. So that's all for the day. Signing out. This is Abhishek. See you guys.